Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to receive assets on your LEDGER Nano X. To receive assets on the Ledger, you'll need to use the Ledger Live app. You can also use the Ledger Live desktop on your computer and it will work the same. But I'll be showing you the mobile app, so let's first go to, of course, Wallet, or let's go to My Ledger, then go to your Nano X to make sure we are connected. Yes, we are. So now let's also make sure that you have the app for the asset that you want to receive. I want to receive Solana. You can see I have it. But if you want to, for example, let's say, receive the Ethereum Classic, you'll need to click on plus to install it first. Now, once that's done, go to Wallet, then click on Receive. Now select the crypto you want to receive. And now select which device you want to receive it on. Now you'll need to open the Solana app by pressing two buttons at once when it prompts you on the device. Now it's looking for any existing accounts on the blockchain. So let's give it a moment. And now you can see I have the account that I can add. I can edit its name, but I'm gonna leave it. Just let's confirm it. Now it's added to my portfolio. Let's add funds to that account. And you can buy it, but the video is about receiving, so let's click on receive. It asks me for verifying my address. Let's click on verify, whatever it means. I'll verify if it's the same one on both devices, and yes it is. I'll need to go to the site, then click on approve. And now I'll need to copy my address or give the person that I want to receive money from the QR code. Although I will be doing that from my own Coinbase app, so I'm just copying the address to go to Coinbase, and then basically to click on transfer, send crypto. I'm gonna allow paste, and you can paste from clipboard or click on the QR scanning. There was a button in the top right corner that you could scan a QR code. Of course, in different apps it will work differently, but the video is about receiving on the wallet, not about sending from a certain app. Now I'm gonna select, let's select Solana, and I think I'm just gonna get like 0.001, I think is the minimum. So I'll get that. Let's just click on preview. Now self-custody wallet is what I'm gonna select. Then I'm also gonna select that I'm sending it to myself, but of course the person that's sending everything to you, they need to fill it how they should. I'm gonna click on send now, click on done, and now that's how you receive money. Basically you'll have the app with everything. Now once I close it, I'll basically in a moment receive the funds. It won't happen automatically immediately, but as I can see now I have it, and it shows me that I've received 0.13 cents in USD in Solana. So if you want to watch a video on our channel on how to for example send from your ledger, then you can also watch that. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.